I love roller coasters. Those are one of my favorite things.
Alright, we're getting ready to go to Universal Studios to experience the new Harry Potter ride. So this is staying at the Sapphire Hotel, gets you access to the Universal Studios. Alright, we're here at Islands of Adventure. We're going to go check out the new Harry Potter ride.
I love roller coasters. Those are one of my favorite things.
We're in the Harry Potter section of Islands of Adventures. We have the wands for the kids. If you haven't used your wands in a while, just go to the owl post and they'll fix it. Just stare. No, not like a goofy stare.
I think so, Ryan.
The thing about this trip for us is that we've been doing some different things, like hanging out and taking pictures with Optimus Prime. That's been cool.
Earthlings, hello.
Alright, if you haven't been to Poseidon's Fury, we have to say that it's awesome. The production was incredible, and so many years that we passed right by it, and I'd say that this is definitely a show you won't want to miss. Alright, we just finished having lunch here at NBC Sports Grill and Brew, and the food was actually excellent. We had the Cobb salad, we had the wings. They got plenty of beers, plenty of TVs, very delicious. We did have a problem, but the management staff came by, took care of it. Heads up for that. If you happen to be at Universal Studios, we recommend this NBC Sports. How's your iced tea? Sometimes I'm doing some time lapse here at Universal Studios, and you'll be surprised how many people will actually bump into you. How was your day?
Good, we had fun. We did a lot of new things we've never done before.
How was your day, Colin?
Well,
what was your favorite thing about today?
hanging out with family and doing new things. Bye, subscribe to my dad's channel. Bye, subscribe down below. Bye.